3:17 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Ashton to near Grenville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Sycamore, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Shibuna, Lake Holiday, Cortland, Oglesby, Hinkley, Zumanoff, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Maple Park, Alton, Paw Pond, and Lee. Between mile markers 74 and 83.
That was weird.
Between mile markers 83 and 101. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds,